All right, y'all, what's the deal, man? I know I haven't been making affiliate marketing videos in probably some weeks, maybe in a month or two, but I really just wanted to make this update video just to let y'all know, man, affiliate marketing still works. The trainings and stuff like that I used to make YouTube videos about, or it's inside my courses, just letting y'all know this stuff still works, man. Just because I'm not making YouTube videos about it does not mean it's not working. So I don't want to get no more comments about this. So what I'm gonna be doing is showing y'all step by step how I was able to make $515 exactly in the last 3 days, man. So as you can see inside this, we all don't know the network until I show y'all in a second, but I was basically promoting this Fiverr offer where they basically pay $20 for every single purchase that you bring to the platform. So anybody that's new to Fiverr, they go and make a purchase, whether it's $5, $10, $50, $100, they pay you a $20 commission. Now it used to be 15, which is why the numbers is not like even numbers, you know what I mean, right? Like right here. But they just upped it to 20. So I'm gonna be doing showing y'all step by step how you can go implement the same exact strategy as soon as today. You can actually get this entire campaign, whatever you want to call it, set up by the end of this video. So let's get into it, man. Step number one, here's what I did. So number one, joining Affiliaxe, affiliate, whatever you want to call the network. I'm going to show y'all an overview of the dashboard and stuff like that in a second, which is 100% free. It's no phone application to it like Max Bounty or anything like that. You just sign up and join like you would with any other affiliate network. Number two, you want to go and find the Fiverr offer, which is what I'm promoting. And I don't think you need to get approved to promote that offer. I believe it's public. Anybody can go and promote it. And then the way I promote it, all this stuff will make sense in a second. So finding the Fiverr gig to promote, creating a deep link, affiliate link, building a landing page, using ClickFunnels or whatever you're using, creating a swipe up ad using Canva, which is 100% free, making a list of influencer pages, DMing each page to schedule promotions, and rinse and repeat. So now what I'm gonna do is basically give you like a visual overview instead of just on the presentation thing. So this is basically the swipe up ad. I probably should be showing this somewhat last. So I'm gonna go pull this over here. So yeah, you wanna go and join Affiliaxe. If y'all want my referral link, just let me know. I'll leave it in the description below this video. So yeah, go and find the Fiverr offer. Another good thing too, you get to offer 10% off to your users. So when they go to your website, you can let them know like, hey, you get 10% off your first purchase using the code, and it's inside the description right here. So you give them this code AFFX10, get 10% off, and yeah, definitely go and check out the description. So right here, this offer page when the user buys something on Fiverr, and it converts both on mobile and desktop, which is amazing. I'm pretty sure everybody watching this video already know what Fiverr is, so I don't even have to explain what that is. But inside the step-by-step thing where I was like, create a deep link, that means instead of taking your raw affiliate link, let me just show y'all. Instead of taking your raw affiliate link and just sending them straight to Fiverr, you can actually link a person directly to a specific gig, which is why it works perfectly. So like I said, instead of sending them straight to Fiverr where they got to find the gig, go and make a purchase, we basically eliminating all the steps. So what I did was found an offer on Fiverr that was viral and that works with social media. I will turn your dog, cat, or any pet into a digital painting, and it starts at $5 and goes up to 15. But no matter what they purchase, I get my $20 commission no matter what they purchase. So right here, I'm going to show you how to build a deep link so you can link directly to the offer. So to do that, you would just go right here under landing page or next to landing page, click on it, and then click on deep link. Boom, now you got your affiliate link. You want to scroll down and copy the source. Where is it? Right here. Add the parameters and source equals. You want to copy that. Add it at the end of your affiliate link, and then the last step you want to do to make this link work is to copy the Fiverr gig link from Fiverr. So if I want to do this one, you would just copy it. I think it's okay. You want to copy everything from the beginning all the way to the question mark to copy the Fiverr gig link. You don't need all the other stuff. And once you do that, you just copy it, paste it at the end. Then you can copy the whole entire affiliate link, test it out in a new tab or in the incognito window, and it should go straight to the Fiverr gig, and you know it's working at that point. So once you got your deep link, affiliate link set up, whether you want to promote this gig or another one, just going back to the steps, you want to create a landing page for it. So what I did This is my landing page. Get an amazing digital painting of your pet for just $5. Like I mentioned earlier, that 10% off code right here, I put that at the top of the page in the sub headline. So whether they click the image, yes, I want my painting, call to action button. I really got basically every image and every button going straight to the affiliate link, except for the customer feedback ones. But very simple landing page. I made this in ClickFunnels. It don't take too long. And I actually give this away as a share funnel in ClickFunnels, so you don't even have to edit nothing besides my links, and you're pretty much good to go. So going back to the steps. Okay, so once you build a landing page for it, or copy mine, it don't matter how you do it. You want to create a swipe up ad using Canva, because my promotion strategy or my traffic source is going to be using Instagram influencers and paying them for story promotions. It's the cheapest and highest converting traffic in my experience. So what I did is go to Canva. It's like a Photoshop alternative. Created this. I basically just copied everything from my landing page. Get an amazing digital painting of your pet for just $5. Put that in there, and then I copied the image off my website, so it's super congruent. And then I got swipe up, which I added 2 arrows, swipe up, and then like a blue background. You could do it, play around with it however you want to. As long as it's congruent to your landing page, you should see some really high conversions. And after you do that, now you got everything pretty much set up. You got your landing page, you got your offer, you got your ad. Now it's time to make a list of influencers of pages inside of your niche. So my niche is the dogs, cats, pretty much all pets for the most part. So what I did is got one example pulled up, a page in my niche, dogs media. You want to look for pages that say DM, email for promotions, or most of the time it's either DM or email. So you want to make a list of these type of pages. You want to go with pages with at least 20,000 followers on the lower end, and on the higher end, I think the most I spent was like $100 on a promo, and that page had like 1 million followers. So it's in between $10 to $100 for a promotion on a story, and the story post is right here. So when you pay them for a story promo, this is where it goes. As you can see, somebody is actually running an ad with them that they started 3 hours ago. They basically pay for a story promo and a page post, but what we doing is all swipe up story ads because it's the cheapest and it gets the most link clicks. So that's what we're running with. And like I said, making a list of these pages, and if you follow, there's just a few ways to find pages. You can either just search in the search bar, dogs. You'll see a bunch of dog pages pop up. You'll just find those pages that say DM or email for a promotion. Make a list that way. And honestly, about the followers, it really don't matter how many followers they got if they're not getting much engagement. So if they're not getting real likes and real comments, definitely want to look at their last 9 posts and see if real people is actually commenting. That lets you know this page is actually active, and it might be worth a promotion. So as you can see, people leaving real comments on here. 1,500 likes on this page. So yeah, this might be a good example. Let me go through another post or two. Not too many comments on there. Some comments on here. So yeah, this might be a good page to run with, to go and set up a promotion with. But that's just one way of finding pages, just using the search bar. You could type in hashtag dogs of Instagram, all those different suggestions that pop up. And then you want to look at the top posts right here. They normally show like the top 9 or 12 or something like that. And you will find different pages like that as well. So you can hover over it, see how many likes it got. I'm trying to find one with like at least 1,000 likes to it. So let me see. Hashtag dogs of Insta. Let's see what comes up. I don't think I'll be able to show you the mobile, the third way of doing it, because I'm not following the page. But normally, whatever page you go to, so let's say for instance this one right here. Oh, it do show it. Okay, perfect. Whether you're on mobile or desktop, I guess certain pages, it'll have that drop down arrow right here where it basically show you a bunch of suggested pages. So like I said, you just make a list of these pages and shoot them a DM, an email, whatever the case. And I got a script that you can go and use right here. So at the start of your message, you want to ask them, hey, do you do story promos, story promotions, however you want to word it. It should look along the lines of this. Hey, I want to know your rates for a 24-hour story promotion with links. If it don't come with links, it's pointless. So yeah, just keeping it simple, man. You know, at the end of the day, they here to make money. You here to make money. So just getting straight to the point. Asking them, hey, are you doing story promotions? And how much would you charge for a 24-hour promotion with the link? Y'all discuss numbers, and then, you know, they'll send you a PayPal link or Cash App, whatever the case may be. You pay it, send them your promotional material, and you schedule to go. So going back, yeah, like I said, I was making a list of different pages. Not all of them is going to reach back out to you. And another way to actually get them to respond, because these pages do get a lot of people DMing them and messaging them and things like that. So what you want to do is go on their page. I already clicked off. But yeah, go on their page, like their last 3 pictures, leave a comment saying, check your DM, and then actually send them a DM. That gives me like I want to say like at least a 60 or 70% response rate. Because a lot of people just send them a DM and it just sit in the request folder on Instagram. If you're on Instagram, you already know what I'm talking about. Going to the request folder, you basically have to wait for somebody to just get bored and go through their DMs and find you probably weeks or months later. So go blow up their notifications, leave a like on their last few pictures, leave a comment telling them to check their DM, and then send them a DM, and you should be good to go. And of course, you know, you want to run each page. So say for instance, 3 pages reach out. You want to schedule promotions on 3 different days, unless you gave them their own tracking link, so you can know which one is bringing you the conversions. So the last thing you want to do is have all 3 campaigns going at the same time, because you won't know which pages bring you the promotion. So if you got 3 pages lined up, schedule them 24 hours apart so you can accurately judge the performance. And of course, keep track of the winners, keep track of the losers, test new pages, and yeah, just rinse and repeat. That was basically how I was able to make $515 in the last 3 days with affiliate marketing. So the best part about this video is, man, I actually give away this campaign. I actually talked about this exact campaign in a YouTube video some months ago. I don't think it got too many views, but that's why I'm kind of remaking it now with updated results. So inside the Instagram influencer marketing course, it's actually done for you campaign number 17. Goes over every single thing. It gives you my exact landing pages, the exact we already seen the real landing page, but the exact ads and stuff that I use, whether you want to do story or feed, comes with everything. I don't want to scroll down, it's just going to show everything, but y'all know the deal, man. If y'all want access to this course, this campaigns and other campaigns that you can go and run, right now, while it's only $50, it comes with my Rockstar course, my beginners course, my Instagram course, my everything pretty much. Y'all know the courses I got. Oh, here I go, right here. I got my Rockstar course, the Elite course, YouTube passive income course, the beginners course, Sapphire course, and the Instagram influencer marketing course. Pretty much go over everything, you know, paid traffic, free traffic, everything you're gonna need to succeed as an affiliate. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.